welcome you to my spicy, brand new Ford F250. There you go, Tom. Fuck me out of here, boy. That bird's still watching. He's still up there. He's coming back. All right, here she is, my new Regus. So obviously, the Tundra is no more if you've seen the giveaway video. That's my old rig. She served me well, but she ain't no 6.7 Powerstroke diesel, turbo diesel, sorry, V8. Yeah. So, where do I start on this thing? I saw it actually come up a while ago, and I was like, if I was to upgrade anything from the Tundra, that would be it. It's got like the standout color, shit larger. Yeah, I think it's got a lot of, it's got a lot of things.
She'll go through those things.
Let's go through some of those things. Most importantly is this bad boy. My first personalised plates, sort of, apart from the VL. That's not real. I never could like justify doing personalised plates, but for the big rig, everyone got around the True. It's the True mobile, and you have to. Every time this rolls up, it's just there it is, and that's that. I hit this the guy that was selling this car. I just missed out. It was like a similar scenario to the VL, but not really. So I hit him up, and he's like, someone's giving me a deposit. And he's like, actually, he hasn't given it yet. If you can come down now and check it out, it's yours. And I was like, all right, I'll come down today. I was about to head down, check it out, see if I liked it, put a deposit. And said, yeah, I'm heading down now. He's like, oh, no, don't worry, the guy. You got the money together. Sorry about that. I'm like, my usual pesteringness, like every week message. Took it yet? Has he got it yet? Has he got it yet? I need it. And eventually is, the guy is taking ages. He's obviously not getting his loan through or whatever. So if you come down, she's yours, son. So I went and sussed it out. I was like, yeah, definitely keen. It, meets all the expectations, the criteria of being lifted. That's it. And some big rims. That's it. So we got it. Stoked on that. There's not many of these going around, especially in this color. I did have a sus when the guy denied me of getting it, and there's none that I can find in Australia in this color. The only other color that was available was a gray. So let's go into some of the details on this bad boy. It is a 2019 Ford F250 Super Duty. What's the badge on the back? Don't know.
Platinum.
Huh? Platinum, that's the target. Platinum, thanks. That's got all the bells and whistles. Tow hooks on the front, fog lights, the fogs, custom bonnet with pig nostrils, air inductions. That's it. Let's keep going around. I've got 38-inch big boys. So we have done a couple of mods to this already because I couldn't handle it. It didn't have enough offset. It had 20s, it had these 38s on them, but it wasn't fat. So pretty much straight away I put on some big bolt-on spacers, which felt weird on a big truck and daily. But I wasn't too fast because she's got bloody 8 studs there. So I don't think she's gonna be snapping. And then I ordered some wheels. So I got these, I think they're, I don't know, Moto Metal. Yeah, Moto Metal. So I could remove those bolt-on spacers because these are bloody 20 by 12s, neg 44. Oh dang, they sit quite nicely. Pretty much just out of the guard, maybe 20 mils, a little bit. And it also made the tyre look heaps fatter, having, I think, a 20 by 10, 18 before. So it sort of made the tyre look skinny. On the 12, it's ballooned it out a bit more. It looks fat. And obviously, the lift kit, they've got the Kings Don't Know editions, and they're blue. That's about all I know. Came with it. And it's got some sort of bar work in there. Some steering Bilstein thing that allows the lift and to still steer nice and bump steery things. So it's something, external reservoir hang, and you can adjust the dampers on it. Don't care. Yeah, I think it's pretty much maxed out on the threads height. I think it's 6 inches of lifts, which I think is just passable. Haven't been hassled yet. Alright, keep going around. We've got that King 6.7 Powerstroke badge. This thing hauls ace. Like, it's actually crazy, did not expect. I think it has been tuned. I think the DPF or something's been deleted, I don't know. I don't know what power it made, but it feels like 300 kilowatt. Just gonna put it out there, 300 kilowatt. It spins the wheels pretty much when you put your foot down. Absolutely freaking blazes. Haven't set that up yet, but it's got a code if you leave your keys inside. I think it's got like aluminium panels. Everything sounds real funny. It's got a little chip on the front and it's come through, like hasn't rusted or anything. Looks like alloy, looks like a GDR guard. So I'm gonna call it that it's got aluminium guards as well. I know more than the dealers, don't care. Auto steps, you have to, otherwise you wouldn't be able to get in. It's dirty as Falcon already because don't care. Backs to put hair everywhere. Typical, straight away. Nice black lather, so no more tan interior. And not many cars have this, and I freaking love it. Is the black roof liner and the moon roof and the sun roof, and always my Broadway mirror got installed straight away. Every car has a Broadway mirror, so you can show them that. Yeah, that's sexy. Curved, convex, concave. No, convex. Mirror, so you don't even have to head check. You don't even have to head check, even with the car this big. You just like, yay! Look into the mirror. No one there. Yeah.
Squash car.
Squash car. Center console is completely freed up because it's got the column shaft, which is sort of sharp, but I do really like how it's all free and you can have 500 cups when you're at Mickey D's. You get the family feast and you have your whole family feast for yourself, ready to go. Choose my lemonade and my Coke and my Diet Coke and my Sundae. All there ready to go. And obviously the extra large glove box, whatever you call it. No, that's the center console, sorry. The center console, the big boy, which is pretty much a fridge in the middle of your car. It just Kang, American truck dang. No need to show you on the back, there's just 50 baby seats in there and chat.
The standard.
And baby wipes, wipe baby's asses. So that's family tangs. For Basness, and Baxter fits in there nicely. Keep coming around. It has a fuel flap.
Oof.
And that's Kang. Right. Got to remember to put diesel in it, not like all the other cars, 98. And I don't know what that is.
Water.
Okay, so you put water in there. Huh? That's something to do with DPF. And like I said, I think it's been deleted, so don't care. Something about emissions, they normally put some sort of mixture that stops you rolling coal. So don't want that, have to roll coal. That stagger, you have to. This truck means nothing to me. So that's from my good friend Whistling Diesel. I don't know him, but I like his channel and I like his style. I'm gonna demolish this truck just like him. Pretty sure he buried one of these. So shout out for shout out. I'll give him a shout out. You shout out me next. Whistling Diesel. And got the auto tailgate. Cameras for days. It's got like cameras hidden everywhere on this thing. There's like one up there for some reason. There's one on the mirrors. It gives you that 3D view when you're in reverse. Ooh. Shot in there once again. But this is pretty Kang. Tundra didn't have this. Ooh. Ooh, my shotgun. Right. Now I can get up there. Still can't get up. Hey. I can get on my thangs and then not get them down because it's too hot. So that's pretty sexy.
It is sexy.
Bigger tray. I think it's about 500 mil longer. I think the car is actually 600 mil longer than the Tundra, so it's a little bit of a shat size. I reckon the Tundra was on the edge of, you know, like you could get away with it, parking it at your local cafe and actually fitting in the car spot, just only having your wheels like on the line, where this is like your wheels are over the line and it's a bit of an ebb and like reversing in there and stuff. So we'll see if I get over that, but it does have about, yeah, I think maybe 400 mil deeper tray. I think it was the tiniest bit wider and about the same depth. And the car overall, I think, is about 300 mil. We did some measurements, obviously. About 300 mil taller. I can still just fit in that Mickey D's drive-through. What about that Mickey D's? Shout out Mickey D. Give me a shout out back. Tow ball rated to 4.5 turns. I think same as the Tundra, but this thing I don't think would feel it at all compared to the Tundra. Tundra's still 8, but this, I think it'd probably rip the tow ball off, to be honest, the way it pulls. It's crazy. Exhaust. So it came with a couple of mufflers that went over the diff. And we're like, delete that chat. We're going straight. Pretty much chopped it at one of the flanges and obviously side exited that ass. So it's got a 4-inch straight pipe at the moment with these twin 4-inch blasties. Bang. She rolls coal, son. It actually doesn't roll that much coal because it's got new age things. You have to like really try hard to roll coal. You can't sit on the brake because it's like you're on the brake, can't put power. Here it is. I want to roll coal and it won't let me. So if someone knows how to roll coal, Watson Diesel, how do I roll coal? Let's see how this thing sounds for you. How about that? I just remember when I went to register this thing, it's apparently got the GVM of 4,490 kilograms, which is 10 kilograms off needing a truck license. Hey. Oh yeah. Ooh. I forgot we still haven't done a 6K sub skid, true? True. Or 5K, we skipped 5K. Them. What do you reckon?
You have to.
You have to. Got to figure out how to delete all the traction control. Hold traction button down, put on the lockers, sit on the brake. Don't forget to put it in gear. Okay. I reckon I can do better than that.
Let's do it.
It's doing something. No dear. I did see one video where these things have, even with traction control all the way off, it still doesn't let you full blaze them. So you have to wire in some sort of thing that bypasses a relay for traction control. And they've got these gangster switches if you have a look up here. They've got these little flicky boys up here. So you can wire them to these. So if you want to be in blaze mode, just click that and then blaze. And I'm also, I forgot to mention, I've had to save the train horns off the Tundra, and I'm definitely going to hook it up to one of these bad boys for the. So the only things that I will probably do to this is I did order a cooler kit for it, so I can get more spoolie boys. I think it already runs 40 PSI. That's what the gauge tells me, which is insane. So I think it's been tuned as well. I had some sort of tune installed on it, but I'd be good to clean that up. So I'll probably get old mate Bogger, BSC, to give it a tune. But I did get a sick cooler kit for it. Yeah, it's full cooler pipe and intake, and sort of gets rid of all the chat, all the DPF, all the recirculation, all the don't know diesel things, just blocks them off. So I probably should get some more noises, a bit more power. If you want to see that, that'll probably be next. And up that boost to 80 PSI, because you have to. And then we'll drift it. Put some knuckles in it. That's pretty much it, I think. I don't think I have any other real plans for it. Drives real nice, goes hard as. And I tried to put a keeper Reet banner on, and I ripped it, and then I still committed to it. It didn't really reach the whole width. It was about 20 mil up each side. And then I didn't put the actual keeper Reet sticker itself on there. So I'm waiting for a new one. So that's the only other thing. And then she's complete. And I'll get a new truck. Anyway, if you like this video, make sure you like it. And subscribe my ass if you want to keep this gangster content. Got some sick stuff coming up. We'll modify this, modify the VR. The wagon build is well underway. Some Kang updates, so make sure you follow us for more. Until next time.